Rishi Sushruta is known as father of plastic surgery, and World Plastic Surgery is celebrated on 15th July. Plastic surgery is a problem-solving fraternity. It supports orthopedic, neurosurgery, cardiothoracic, gynae, general surgery, whatnot. We save limbs, we transform lives, we can grow hairs, we can reshape nose, and we bring back the confidence to the patient. We treat birth defects like cleft lip, cleft palate, hypospadias. Also, we treat burns and burn-related deformities. We not only cures the external burn injuries, but also the burn-related psychological trauma is corrected. So, we bring back normalcy.